time frame for that, but definitely the situation would improve once the water starts receding or the rains are not there for another 2 or 3 days. And that is why we are rushing 2 additional teams of NDRF from Tamil Nadu along with 30 boats, inflatable boats, and there would be a total of 148 boats which would be placed into service. And we are also starting to conduct this night rescue operations in 42 localities of Valley, where the people are submerged, the houses are submerged and people are staying either on the second floor or on the rooftops.
Sir, you know, there are people who are calling us for help and we are directing all these queries we are getting to you. First up, let's take Sonia, who's calling us from Haryana. Hello to you, Sonia. Good evening. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. My mom is AC in CRPF.
All right.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead, Sonia.
अभी उनसे मतलब कल रात से कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है.
लॉकेलिटी में है वो?
CRPF.
CRPF में कहाँ पे, किस यूनिट में?
जी ये है 1 second. This is a battalion number E49.
And which is the area where he is located?
Lal Chowk, Karamnagar.
Okay, I'll convey this to my team and let's see how best we can do something.
Sonia, thanks very much for calling us. We have Iftikhar who's joining us from Faridabad. Mr. Iftikhar, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, my family is stranded at Jawahar Nagar, near to Rajbagh. There are 3 persons. The host number is 170. The names of the persons are Abdul Rashid, Dr. Sabah, and Mrs. Khalida. They were stranded there for last 2 days, sir. They are on 2nd floor. Sir, can I get information about in how many time these areas will be cleared, sir? Jawahar especially.
I wouldn't be able to tell you the time, but I certainly can tell you that today we have rescued people from this area also, from Jawahar Nagar, and we have already 25 boats operating there in that particular locality. So maybe that the people who you are referring to, maybe they might have been rescued so far.
Okay, sir. Sir, where these people are being taken, sir? Any idea?
They are being taken to a safer place, which I wouldn't be able to tell you right now, but they are being brought to safer places, safer locations.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Iftikhar, thanks for calling. I hope your family is safe. Next, we have Mushtaq Ahmed on the phone line with us. Mr. Ahmed, please go ahead. Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed, can you hear me? All right, I think we've lost the connection to Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed. Let's go across to Zakir Hussain, who is joining us. Mr. Hussain, please go ahead. If you have a query to Dr. Singh, you can put it across to him.
I'm Shakir. I'm calling from Noida. My family is stranded in Ikrajpura, Jawahar Nagar, and they are on the 4th floor of the house. And the situation there is very grim. I spoke to my sister today morning at 3 a.m. That time she was, witnessing many houses around their building collapsing. And there were many choppers flying in the sky, and there were many boats also, but nobody was daring to come close to them because the place where that house is located is a little tricky, and even the rescue guys, they were not willing to go there. They have been shouting, calling for help, but they straight away denied. So I'm literally begging you to please do something about it. And I'm not sure if that house is still intact or not, because that moment the buildings were collapsing, and my sister was literally narrating those events to me. I was hearing all the cries and all the shouts.
Mr. Singh, what can you do to help him?
Have you been able to establish? You asked him that when was he last talking to his sister or mother? I don't know. When was the last communication with them?
The last communication happened today morning at 3 a.m. My sister's name is Nithar. No, there has been no communication, nothing.
Okay, the helpline that we have given you, you better contact that and give us the details so that we can pass it on to them, and perhaps my team would do something on that.
Sure, sir. I mean, can you please tell me the number? I mean, is it the same number I am calling right now, or there is some different number for
No,
that?
the helpline that you need to get is flashing on the screen right now of CNN IBN. So that's the place you can put it on, or you can go to ibnlive.com. That's where we put the helplines as well. So I hope that helps you. As Mr. Singh is saying, just call the helpline, put in all your details, and that's the best way really to keep in touch with authorities as far as your relatives are concerned. I hope they are okay. Thanks very much for calling us. Next is Kamaljeet, who's calling us from Noida. Kamaljeet, please go ahead.
Hi sir, good evening. My parents and close relatives, are stranded. There are around 15 people there, including my chachas, buas, cousins, and they reside in Sector 11 Hamdania Colony, and the house number is 918, and some other adjacent houses. And it's Mr. Atarjeet Singh, that's my father. And we have had no contact with them whatsoever since the last 36 hours. And last we heard from them was that the ground floor was flooded and they were on the first floor. And so even if the evacuation is not possible right now, so we urge you to at least give us some kind of information about that area, because there is nothing on the news about that area and we have no clue howsoever how they are right now.
Which area did you tell? Which area?
This is Hamdania Colony, Sector 11 Hamdania. Sector 11 Hamdania Colony, Bemina.
Okay, I'll take down your details, and better would be that you also give your details to the helpline, and then accordingly we will try to establish contact with these people. Definitely will help you out.
Kamaljeet, you're saying you've already
Sorry?
called the helpline?
Sorry?
Kamaljeet, are you saying that you've already called the helpline?
No, my details are with CNN IBN. This is the helpline that I called. I have not called the other helpline as of now.
No, what you should do, Kamaljeet, as Mr. Singh is suggesting, is put all your details and the details of your relatives on the official helpline that has been put out. If you don't know what the helpline number is, you can just see our screens, it's flashing there, or you can go to ibnlive.com. That's the best way to go forward right now. And I'm going to thank you for calling. We have Shaji Mushtaq Ahmed who's calling us now. Mr. Ahmed, please go ahead.
Madam, I want to know our 6 persons are stranded in house number 26, land number 2, Bemina.
Okay.
The two of them are quite elder, plus 90 years old, and one elder is on full liquid diet. So for the last 27 hours we have no connection with them. Could you please give us some information about this 6-7 persons who are stranded here?
I think I would give the same suggestion that he should give us the details through the helpline, and we would like to look into that.
Okay,
All right.
I'll do that.
I think that is
hello?
one general, instruction that is going out from the DG of the NDRF. There are helpline numbers that are in place. So in case you want any sort of information, call the helplines, put all your details in there, and they are the ones who will really find out and get back to you. Let's get Kamarpreet, who's joining us from Amritsar now. Kamarpreet, please go ahead.
Hello.
Kamarpreet, please go ahead.
I'm from Amritsar and my family is in Rajput, Kashmir. And yesterday we talked to them. My Mamaji is there. Yesterday we talked to them. After that there has been no contact with him.
Okay.
गुरुद्वारे में चले गए थे. 6वीं पातशाही का गुरुद्वारा है वहाँ पे डल लेक के पास. So I want to know if that place is safe right now.